Did you know that every business problem, especially in small businesses, the root of it is a people problem? I know it sounds crazy because we're so used to hearing that problems are sales related or tech related or cash related. And while, yes, those are problems, the root of it generally is the people. And I'm going to share with you 4 secrets in this video of how you can change the way you view your business and your people. I'm Kendra Prospero, and I'm the CEO and founder of Turning the Corner. I've helped hundreds of business leaders just like yourself create cultures of healthy, thriving communities, which eliminates the chronic HR problems that you probably are experiencing and moves your business forward. So, what is this new opportunity that I'm presenting? Well, it's called the Real People System. The Real People System takes standard HR with its chronic issues and completely changes the game. It's a simple way to approach how you build and maintain a great team. So, first, the R, recruiting. You need to assess your recruiting needs, what your team needs and requires, and then build the best recruiting and hiring strategy and process to then help your company thrive and hire, and then on belong, not just on board, but on belong the people that you bring into the organization so that they're successful. Second, the E, engagement, is to build a strategic engagement plan from defining and refining your why to implementing and understanding what your true behaviors are that you're expecting from your employees. And then how do you hire and fire and manage, train, govern, promote, compensate against those different values, the why, and the goals that you've established for your organization. Third is then A, the alignment piece. Organizations operate the best when their expectations are clearly defined and the people, the processes, and the performance are all then fully aligned around your vision, your why, as well as then your values and behaviors. We'll help you get there. And then last, fourth, the leadership part, the L on the Real People System. You need to have high quality management training and leadership development that's essential before you can actually sustain this growth. If you're promoting people into a management role or into a leadership role and they're not actually trained on how to do this job, your culture will implode. So we provide all of those services. Now, today I'm offering you to go do a self assessment on your company. There is a free quiz that you can take that will help you self assess how your company is doing in these various areas. If you go and visit our website at www.turningthecornerhr.com, you can see for yourself where your biggest opportunities are at this moment. So, again, that's www.turningthecornerhr.com. You'll also be able to book a call with one of our HR experts or with me and gain clarity on your next steps. Thank you so much for your time.